So welcome to the lecture. Today we are going to discuss Jordan canonical form. Already we have discussed the characteristic polynomial which has a single factor. Already we have discussed one type of Jordan canonical form. So this is the extension of that topic. So if you are new to this video, so please go back that video. Already I have posted one video regarding Jordan canonical form. That is a basic video, so you can go through it. Now we'll discuss the continuation of Jordan canonical form. Let us see. So already we have discussed a type 1, that is a single linear factor, but here you can understood what we are going to do in this topic. Okay, type 2 minimal polynomial is not given with distinct factors in characteristic polynomial. Suppose the characteristic polynomial alone given, let f of x is equal to x minus a whole power n, x minus b whole power n, like this. Okay, so with the minimal polynomial is another case. So here minimal polynomial is not given, then what is a Jordan canonical form of the corresponding matrix? So this is, suppose f of x is equal to, this one is the characteristic polynomial of the matrix, then the Jordan canonical form of A has P of m, cardinality of P of m into cardinality of P of n possibilities. So here are the cardinality. So where P of n and P of m denotes the partition of m and n respectively. So already you know how to find the partition of a number. Okay, so here let us see some example, you will get idea. So first example, f of x is equal to x minus a whole power 3 into x minus b whole power 2. Okay, so a is repeated 3 times and b is repeated 2 times. So here first find partition of 3, then find partition of 2. So already we know how to find 3, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is a partition. Here p of 2 equal to 2 or 1 plus 1. There are two possibilities. So total number of Jordan canonical form will be, here we have 3 cases, here we have 2 cases. So totally 3 into 2, 6 cases existed. Total Jordan canonical form is 6. Okay, so here how, because we can take p of 3 equal to 3 and p of 2 equal to 2 one case, and p of 3 equal to 3 and p of 2 equal to 1 plus 1 another case. Like that you can 2 plus 1 and 2, 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 and 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. So totally 6 cases are there. So we'll see one by one. First case, p of 3 equal to 3 and p of 2 equal to 2. Partition of 3 will be 3 and partition of 2 will be 2. Then the Jordan canonical form of A is, so already we know which is a block diagonal matrix. So here p of 3 equal to 3. Therefore here we have to make, so totally this is a 5 cross 5 matrix. So here we are finding partition for 3 and 2. So totally we have 3 plus 2 5. So the matrix will be 5 cross 5 matrix and which consisting of a block diagonal matrix. So this is a 3 cross 3 block diagonal matrix and this is a 2 cross 2 block diagonal matrix. So here we have p of 3 equal to 3. Therefore diagonal entry will be 3 a and the super diagonal, corresponding super diagonal will be 1 1. Okay, for this block diagonal matrix, diagonal entries a and super diagonal entry will be 1 1 and p of 2 equal to 2. Therefore diagonal entries bb and the super diagonal entry will be 1. So here a and b are distinct factors, therefore here we have to put 0. Okay, and also these are in different blocks, therefore here we have to put 0. So next, see the next case, it is p of 3 equal to 3 and p of 2 equal to 1 plus 1. In this case, so p of 3 equal to 3. So again this is a 3 cross 3 block diagonal matrix which consisting of diagonal entries as a and the super diagonal entries as 1 1. But p of 2 equal to 1 plus 1. So here we have to make 2 1 cross 1 block. So 1 cross 1 block means here there is no 1. So in the previous case we have to put 1, but here we have to put 0. Okay, so here these are in different blocks. This 1 plus 1 represents distinct 1 cross 1 block. This 3 represent 3 cross 3 block. Okay. So next is P of 3 equal to 2 plus 1 and P of 2 equal to 2. Okay. So 2 plus 1 means here this one will be the 2 cross 2 block and another will be the 1 cross 1 block. So here this will represent 2 cross 2 block. Okay, so for a 2 cross 2 block, diagonal entry will be AA and the super diagonal entry will be 1. Then another 1 cross 1 block. These two A are distinct blocks. Therefore here we have to put super diagonal entry as 0. Okay, so similarly in the P of 2 equal to 2 will represent 2 cross 2 block. Therefore BB super diagonal entry will be 1. These two are in different block. Therefore here we have 0. And P of 3 equal to 2 plus 1. Next case P of 2 equal to 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 means 2 cross 2 block. Here it is 1 cross 1 block. Here it is 1 cross 1 and 1 cross 1 block. Therefore BB, the super diagonal entries are, suppose the entries are in different blocks, then we have to put the super diagonal entries as 0. But if they are in a same block, then we have to put the super diagonal entry as the 1. That is a block diagonal matrix. Okay. Case P of 3 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 and P of 2 equal to 2. So what will get? This entry fully AAA. These are all single 1 cross 1 block, 1 cross 1 block, 1 cross 1 block. So super diagonal entry will be 0 0. And this is a 2 cross 2 block diagonal. Therefore for B, we have to make a 2 cross 2 block diagonal and the super diagonal will be 1. Next case P of 3 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 and P of 2 equal to 1 plus 1. So all are 1 cross 1 block. Therefore just we have to put AAA and BB. Then super diagonal entry will be 0 0 0 because all are in distinct blocks. That's all. So this is the case for the type 2. Okay. These are the possible Jordan canonical form of given matrix, given characteristic polynomial actually. So this is a exercise problem. Here we have x minus a whole power 3, x minus a whole power 3. Therefore we need to find p of 3 and as well p of 3. That is we have totally 9 possibilities, because here we have 3 possibility and here we have 3 possibilities. So we need to take all combination. The matrix will be 6 cross 6 matrix. Okay va? So do it. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Next one, type 3, that is minimal polynomial is given with a unique factor in characteristic polynomial. Suppose characteristic polynomial contains only single factor and the minimal polynomial is given. Minimal polynomial is something. Then what we have to do for the Jordan canonical form, that is the next type. So here only one factor we have, x minus a whole power 4, and the minimal polynomial is x minus a whole square. So here no need to, here don't take the partition of 4. We need to take p of 4 but only with the help of 2. Okay, so because minimal polynomial contains the factor 2, therefore p of 4 equal to 2 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 plus 1. This is a possibility. No other possibilities are there. We cannot take 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because here we have the power 2. Okay, so use this 2. We have to find the partition of 4. Okay va? So 2 plus something will make 4. Then you have to take that case. Otherwise you can leave that case. Okay. So here we have only two possibilities. One is 2 plus 2, another one is 2 plus 1 plus 1. No other possibilities are there. So here we have to make, for these cases, you have to make the Jordan canonical form. So case 1 p of 4 is equal to 2 plus 2. Then both are 2 cross, here it is a p of 4. We need to find a partition of 4, that is 4. Here only one possibility, only one case p of 4. Therefore it is a 4 cross 4 matrix. Jordan canonical form will be the 4 cross 4 matrix, and which consisting of two 2 cross 2 block diagonal. So this is 1 2 cross 2, this is 1 2 cross 2 block diagonal. So this block diagonal consisting of AA and super diagonal will be 1, and this block diagonal consisting of AA and super diagonal will be 1. So these two are in different, this A and this A are in different blocks, therefore the super diagonal entry is 0. Next case 2 plus 1 plus 1. So that is 1 2 cross 2 block, 1 cross 1 block, another 1 cross 1 block. So A 1 and this one, these two are single blocks. So here this super diagonal entries are 0 because these A are in different blocks and these two are in a same block, therefore super diagonal entry is 1. Type 4 minimal polynomial is given with the distinct factors. So minimal polynomial, they given minimal polynomial, the characteristic polynomial will have distinct factors. Then what we have to do? So here see x minus 2 whole power 3 and x minus 3 whole power 4. So here we have two distinct factors and m of x also has the distinct factors. So but we need to give the importance for the power of the factors. So in minimal polynomial, so here power is 2, here also the factor contains the power 2. Okay, so here we need to find partition of 3 and partition of 4, but keep in mind the minimal polynomial contains factors 2, here also 2. Therefore P of 3 we have to split 2 plus 1. No need to take the cases 3 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 because the minimal polynomial contains the factor x minus 2 whole power 2. Okay, so this 2 is important, therefore 2 plus 1, this 2 plays a very important role. And then x minus 3 whole power 2. So here also in the factor x minus 3 whole power 4, we need to find P of 4. So for that we have to consider this 2, therefore P of 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 plus 1. There is no other possibility. Remaining possibilities does not exist here. Okay, so we need to avoid those cases. So here P of 3 contains only one possibility and P of 4 contains two possibility. Therefore 1 into 2 we have totally two possibilities for the JCF, that is Jordan canonical form. So P of 3 equal to 2 plus 1 and P of 4 is equal to 2 plus 2. So here this is a 2 cross 2 block and 1 cross 1 block. This is a 2 cross 2 block and 2 cross 2 block. So here which is totally a 7 cross 7 matrix because we are finding the partition for 3 and 4. Therefore 3 plus 4 it is a 7 cross 7 matrix. So this is first block is a 2 cross 2 matrix and the second block is a 1 cross 1 matrix and third one will be 2 cross 2, fourth one also 2 cross 2. So if they are in a same block, so we need to put 1 in the super diagonal, different block, then we need to put 0 in the super diagonal. So like that we can consider. Okay, similar last case 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 means 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, that's all. These are all the possibility. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you once again.